Wizard.
Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Today we're on a location where we're actually creating a video on how to properly clean composite decking. Okay, there's a lot of people doing it wrong. They're avoiding manufacturer warranties by using bleach where they're not supposed to, and aren't sure the pressure, not pressure, can soft washing be used, what chemicals, cleaners can and cannot be used. This is a video and a training video that we're actually creating now. We're creating it for the Wizard of Wood and also for NADRA, the North American Deck and Railing Association. And that's what we're doing here today. So I'm kind of excited to be able to do this, offer more education to the public. And with the increase in composite and alternative decking, this is really something that's really warranted, something that really is in need right now. And there's a lot of people doing it wrong. So can't wait to have this video out to you. Give us a couple weeks and we're going to have this video and this course out to you ASAP. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Don't forget, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us the thumbs up. Check us out on the web, all social media. Bye now.